Hello friends, in this video, we tried to explain the paid camping areas in Antalya for you. After watching this video, you will not need any other resources, because we have listed the paid camping areas in all districts, including the city center, one by one. That's why we are waiting for your likes and comments on our video. We wish you a good time in advance. We first start with the camping areas in the city center, and our first stop is Kesbin's Jest Hawes camping area. Kesbin's Jest Hawes is located in Gayakbayram, one of the climbing regions of Antalya. The property is suitable for tent camping and bungalow accommodation, but we should point out that it is not suitable for caravan accommodation. Located approximately 20 kilometers from Antalya city center, the facility has many camping opportunities. The camping area has facilities such as common use sink, shower, electricity, hot water and shaded areas. There is also a common use kitchen and restaurant within the business. If you wish, you can cook your own meals or use the restaurant. Riddle Camping. Riddle Camping is a camping area established in 2012 to provide accommodation and community to climbers during their adventures in Gayakbayram National Park in Antalya, Turkey's largest climbing area. It is one of the largest camping areas in Gayakbayram, with an area of 15,000 square meters and a panoramic view of the mountains and valley cliffs. In the camping area, there is a common use sink and shower with hot water, electricity, dishwasher, laundry and kitchen, and those who wish can even use it free of charge. Lara Caravan Park. The business, known as Lara Caravan Park, is listed as Orange Beach Lara Camping on its website. Tent camping and caravan camping can be done in the camping facility, which is among the paid camping areas in Antalya. The camping facility, which is frequently preferred due to its proximity to Antalya city center, is also close to public transportation. You can have fun at the camping facility, which also offers electricity, kitchen, shower, toilet, laundry and security services. Now we are moving away from the center and heading towards Aksiki district, and our first address is Kaftan Caravan and Tent Camping Area. You can add Kaftan Caravan and tent camping to your route for a peaceful camping holiday where you can observe every shade of blue and green. The private camping facility located in Kemer district of Antalya has become a popular destination for visitors with its seaside location and organized structure. You can stay in a tent or caravan according to your wishes in the carefully designed camping facility. If you do not have a personal tent, you can rent the caravans and tents allocated by the facility. Sundance Camping. In the private camping establishment, you can stay in a tent, stay in your caravan or explore carefully designed bungalow houses, depending on your preference. You can enjoy the clear sea during the day while staying in the camping area, which is approximately 300 meters away from the sea. You can reach Sundance Caravan Camping, which is located in an easy transportation area, by public transportation, private vehicle, motorbike, or caravan. Karjakak Daily Camping Area. Karjakak Beach Camping Area is one of the paid seaside camping areas located in Antalya Kemer and is one of the suitable places for both tent camping and caravan camping. The camping area, which is on the Antalya Kemer Highway, can be preferred by those who want to camp by the sea. There are picnic tables and barbecue stoves in the camping area, and it is one of the places you can visit for the day. There are toilets, showers, water and places where you can shop in the camping area, and we recommend that you choose the markets on the road or the city center for your shopping. Seedless Tangerine Camping. You can camp in tents and caravans in the facility located in the green and quiet Tangerine Garden of Antalya, in Kemer, Turkey's rare and beautiful holiday resort. The facility is located a 5-minute walk away from markets and banks, approximately 200 meters away, and a 15-minute walk away from the world-famous Kemer Beach. The facilities offered at Cedix's Mandolin Camping include shower, toilet, kitchen, refrigerator, laundry, dishes, electricity, and those who go are required to bring an extension cable. Yildirim Camping Belt. It is a complete family business, and the warm-hearted Yildirim family does their best to help us with their smiling faces when we need it. The distance to the sea is very close, the showers and toilets are clean and spacious, and there is a sufficient amount of refrigerators. You don't even need to bring a table or chair, there are enough everywhere. You can use clean drinking water, which means you do not need to carry bottles of water. For those who love camping in nature and in fresh air, Yildirim Camping is the ideal place. Bellerophon Camping Belt. Bellerophon Hotel, which has been serving since 2002 on the unique coast of Cirali, offers you a different holiday with its caravan rooms and large camping areas. The camping area, which is within walking distance to the beach, the center and the ancient city of Olympos, offers you a peaceful holiday under the deep blue sky, among orange, lemon and banana trees. Bellerophon Camping consists of 6 permanent caravans, a restaurant and a large camping area completely independent of the caravan rooms, on a 4-acre land. Ending Pension and Camping Cirali. Guest house accommodation, tent camping and caravan camping are possible within the facility. Located 150 meters walking distance from Cirali Beach, the camping facility is suitable for families and groups of friends. You must make a reservation before going to Engin Pension. Within the facility, in addition to the caravan camping area and tent camping area, there are 6 air-conditioned hostel rooms. Aylak Yazım Camping Area Cirali. Aylak Yazım Camp Hotel is a 10-minute walk from Olympos ruins and a 5-minute walk from Olympos Beach. Kumluca is less than 15 minutes away by car. This accommodation is an 18-minute walk from the Cafe 7 Cafe Bar, located next to Yanardağ's Villa. There are also bicycles available for rent at Aylak Yazım Camp Hotel Villa. Now we are heading towards Kumluca district, and our first address is Furkan Camping Kumluca. Providing service in Korsun Bay, one of the most beautiful bays of Antalya, Furkan Camping allows families and groups of friends to have a pleasant time. You can camp with your own tent or with a ready-made tent set up by the company. Before going to the camping facility, which allows you to experience a pleasant camping experience with the sea view, do not forget to make a reservation and get information about availability. There are also seating areas in the garden of the family-run facility. Cirali Camping Kumluca Advertisement. Located on Advertisement Sarıkavak Street, Cirali Camping offers you the opportunity to get away from the tiring noise and traffic chaos of the city and give yourself some time in the depths of nature. Moreover, every point you turn your head at Cirali Camping is surrounded by a fascinating natural view. Thus, you can rest physically during your camp, as well as experience spiritual serenity with the fascinating atmosphere of the mountains. You can choose both your own tent and caravan while staying at Cirali Camping. Additionally, if you do not have a tent, you can rent the facility's own built-in tents. Andriac Camping Area Demre. Located in the Myra ancient city of the Lycian civilization, next to the Andriac ancient port, Andriac Camping Area is approximately 2.5 hours away from Antalya city center and 5 kilometers from Demre town center. It is located in the southwest. The river extending next to the area, which offers caravans and campers the opportunity to stay alone with nature, meets the clear blue waters of the Mediterranean. In the campsite called Little Heaven with its magnificent beach and peaceful nature surrounded by trees and flowers, it is possible to wake up with the chirping of birds in the morning, spend pleasant hours resting in the silence and serenity during the day, and witness colorful sunsets in the evenings. Now we are heading towards Kas district, and our first address is Kalkan Camping Area Kas. The facility, which is 24 kilometers from Kas and 4 kilometers from Kalkan, is located on the Kas-Kalkan Road. In this way, you can easily reach the region by using minibuses going to Kas-Kalkan direction. Kalkan Camping offers tent accommodation so that guests can feel comfortable. You can go to the facility with your own tent or rent the facility's special tents, which are designed with pillows and quilts. The business, which prioritizes comfort and convenience, offers services such as hot water, sink, shower, buffet, kitchen, refrigerator, electricity, parking and internet connection. Jan Mocamp. Jan Mocamp, one of the first touristic establishments in Kas, is located in a 5-acre olive grove with all accommodation and social areas overlooking the sea. Mocamp includes 10 bungalows of different structures for every comfort and budget, a 3-room hostel building with a total of 18 beds, tent areas consisting of a wooden platform and dirt floor, and a swimming pool where you can take scuba diving courses at all levels. Pizzeria Livorno, which offers delicious Italian delicacies, especially wood-fired pizza, the bar, which is the meeting point of the camping area with its music and cocktails, and the common areas in different corners of Mocamp make this experience unique. Evren Camping Eyebrow. Evren Camping, where you can camp in front of the fascinating views of the Andefly coast and the deep blue Mediterranean, attracts attention with its location close to both the center of Kas and the beach. You can enjoy the crystal clear sea all day long and do dozens of water sports. Olympos Mocamp Eyebrow. Olympos Mocamp, where you can have a pleasant holiday in nature on the Kas-Kalkan Road, right by the sea, serves its local and foreign guests with comfortable wooden bungalows of 12 square meters and 15 square meters, a 3,000 square meter caravan area and camping areas where 80 tents can be set up. You can find 24-hour hot water, kitchen, shower, toilet, air conditioning, refrigerator, oven, washing machine, comfortable beds and free internet in 2- and 3-bed bungalows. In tent and caravan areas, you can benefit from many facilities such as laundry, dishwashing, electricity, water, toilets, common kitchens and 24-hour security for a comfortable stay. Saklikant Gorge Club Camping Area Kas. Gorge Club facility is on the Antalya, Mugla provincial border. It serves right next to Saklikant Canyon. Within the facility, there are tree house accommodation, bungalow house accommodation, tent camping area and caravan camping area options. A stream passes through the facility. There is a restaurant right next to the stream. You can order hot and cold menus. The facilities offered in bungalow houses and tree houses are as follows: wardrobe, double bed, single bed, table, chair, linen and electricity. Kashmir Camping Eyebrow. Located in the Kas region of Antalya, the camping facility is suitable for caravan, tent or hostel accommodation. You can reach the camping facility located on Antalya Fethi in a short time by public transportation or private vehicle, depending on your desire. Moreover, Kas Marin Camping's easy location, within walking distance to Akagerm Beach, will offer you a comfortable holiday opportunity. Kas Harnup Camping. You can reach the Bohemian bazaars of Kas with just a short 20-minute walk from the camping area next to Bayak Kakil Beach, one of the most popular beaches of the region. You can also find amenities such as fish restaurants, markets and souvenir shops around the camping area. Now we are heading towards Manavgat district and our first address is Kapralı Canyon Goksası Camping Manavgat. The camping facility is one of the most famous establishments in the region, with an outdoor area for 500 people, an indoor hall for 150 people and a terrace surrounded by greenery. During the summer season, among the facilities offered by the camping area located by the cool water of the Copper Stream, you can have pleasant conversations in the gazebos on the pontoons in the middle of the blue sky and have the opportunity to enjoy our delicious meals. The camping area has a unique nature where you can sleep with the sound of the sea waves at night and wake up with the chirping of birds in the morning. Additionally, there are facilities such as electricity, sink and shower in the camping area. Bogaz Hotel Camping Manavgat. Bogaz Hotel Camping is located in Manavgat, Antalya. It is also known as Manavgat Municipality Camping Area. It was named Bosphorus because it is close to the junction of the Manavgat River and the sea. The facility is located very close to both the sea and the river. It is an ideal area for those who will camp at sea, especially in the summer months. There are many opportunities within the camping area. What campers like most is that you have electricity and water available in front of your tent. There is also a restaurant within the camping area. You can meet your eating and drinking needs either from the restaurant or by making it yourself in the kitchen. Ozay Camping Manavgat. Ozay Camping is a famous camping area and hostel located in Manavgat, Antalya's popular holiday resort. Known for its warm and friendly atmosphere, this charming place is an ideal option for those looking for an economical holiday. It offers its guests an unforgettable experience with its proximity to the sea and the various services it offers. Blue Paradise Camping Pension Manavgat. Mavai Senate Camping Pension, which is one of the first businesses that come to mind when Manavgat camping areas are mentioned, allows you to have a pleasant camping experience right on the beach. Mavai Senate Camping Facility, which is one of the camping establishments providing seafront services in the Manavgat district of Antalya, also provides hostel accommodation services. You can camp or choose a hostel room according to your request. Selj Park Rafting and Camping Manavgat. Selj Park, where you can pitch your tent by the river within walking distance of Kumluca Canyon National Park, is among the Antalya camping areas preferred by rafting, camping, nature sports and adventure enthusiasts. Surrounded by steep rocks and pine forests, the camping area offers guests equipped bungalows as well as tents. Now we are heading towards Alanya district and our first address is in Sikkim Forest Camping Area Alanya. A peaceful getaway in the heart of nature, where green and blue meet, awaits you at Sikkim Forest Camp, prepared for a wonderful nature experience spread over 156 acres in Alanya, Avsalar, the pearl of the Mediterranean. It is an ideal destination for a holiday full of eye-catching views, private in Sikkim beach, fresh air and various nature activities. You can integrate with nature and accumulate unforgettable memories with its caravan area under the shade of pine trees, tent area, daily picnic areas, non-alcoholic restaurant and markets. Pro Camping Alanya. Offering a pleasant Mediterranean holiday with advanced tourism opportunities in Alanya's Karjakak location. Pro Camping is one of the facilities that families with children can choose with its wide range of facilities. Entertainment venues, shopping malls, restaurants and cafes are available around the camping area, which has rich facilities ranging from village breakfasts and dinners to markets or cafes. Yes, friends, we have tried to explain all the paid camping areas in Antalya for you. If you like this type of content, you can support us by subscribing to our channel. We wish everyone a happy holiday.